Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix E9 error or Hisense Dehumidifier, troubleshooting step and complete repair guide. Fix 1 is reset the dehumidifier. Turn off the dehumidifier, then unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Check if the E9 code disappear. Second fix is clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove the air filter. Wash away dust with warm water. Let the filter dry completely. Reinstall the filter and restart the dehumidifier. Third fix is check the water bucket. Pull out the water bucket, then empty any collected water. Inspect for cracks or obstructions. Reinstall the bucket firmly until it clicks into place. Restart the unit. Fourth one is click the humidity sensor. Unplug the dehumidifier, then remove the cover according to your model instruction. Locate the humidity sensor near the air intake area. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove dust. Reassemble the unit and test it. Fifth one is check the display board cable. Unplug the dehumidifier, then open the front or control panel, then locate the ribbon cable between the display board and main board. Then ensure the cable is fully connected. Reassemble the test the unit. Thanks for watching.